Slowly start focusing on your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now try to center yourself and find your balance. It's very important to stay centered, not just in this moment, but especially in our daily lives. Focus on the natural flow of your breath and find the perfect center of your being. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. When you're centered, things are aligned. Synchronicity happens. You are relaxed and peaceful. Just breathe in and breathe out. Now, we're going to talk about the beautiful nature. When you spend time in nature, it can profoundly affect you on so many levels. Healing processes can start, and this is true for mental problems too. You see, in our daily lives, we often get closed in our minds, and we forget about the beauty of life and about the endless possibilities we all have. The magical thing about nature is that it can gently teach you to open up and learn to trust again. You only have to do the following. Just visit your favorite forest on a sunny day. Go there with an empty stomach and with an honest intent. Deep in the forest, when you feel ready, just allow yourself to be vulnerable and open up. If you allow, miraculous things can happen. Feel the harmony and the love of nature that comes to you. Standing there, talk with the trees and ask for healing. Stay open and trust in the mighty forces of nature. And if you want to deepen your relationship with the forest, go on and hug a tree. First, just touch it gently and then hold on to it tightly. Notice what you feel in your body and in your soul. You see, you can completely trust the tree. You can trust the beautiful forest. Let the healing forces of nature do their job. If you really allow it, you will notice the tree will hug you back. Not literally, but the love of the forest will reach your heart. You won't just imagine this, it will be real. This is actually how life and nature works. You see, nature is a loyal, kind, and supporting friend with many healing powers. You can experience a wonderful, magical connection, and the right ideas and thoughts may just pop into your head. This is exactly how I got the ideas when I wrote my book, OCD as Seen by the Soul. I just went into the forest and connected with nature when I was really desperate. The forest has many gifts for you too, I'm sure. If I could do it, you can do it too. Just go there with an open heart and pure intent. You'll see miracles will happen. This is today's message for you. Now take a few deep breaths and slowly focus back on your body. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Find your healing forest as soon as possible. Thank you.